Let's now talk about denial of service. So what is it? It's a type of attack where you're just basically doing a drive-by shooting. We're trying to disrupt normal function and prevent other users from accessing whatever that service is. Typically we do this against a website, but it could be against whole networks, a particular server, a particular application. We can flood the network or the routers or switches with traffic, consuming all the bandwidth. We could consume all of the resources of a particular server, CPU, RAM, disk. We could consume all of a server's permitted TCP connections. Usually one of the configurations for a server that does TCP, like a website or any other TCP-based service, is you can only have 100 connections at any one time. And any others, you just have to wait. They have to wait. So maybe we'll just consume up all those connections with stupid connections, ones that aren't really doing anything. Denial of service attacks cause the following problems: ineffective, inaccessible services, bad service, interruption of network traffic, connection interference. We have a number of categories for DOS. There's volumetric. We're consuming network bandwidth so that you just can't get in. Fragmentation. We're going to keep a target busy with fragments, packet fragments that cannot be reassembled properly. TCP state exhaustion. We're going to consume connection state tables so that the target cannot open any more TCP connections. Application layer attacks will consume application resources and services so that users can't connect normally. Protocol attacks will abuse commonly used internet protocols. And I'll tell you, many denial of service attacks have the characteristics of more than one type. So they don't just fit neatly, they could be like several things at once. There's also the multi-vector attack. You'll have an attack that does a combination of types. I'll do first one, then the other, or two at the same time, and we'll talk about some examples. Here's a classic denial of service. I'm going to bomb this web server with too many HTTP requests, so when a normal, legitimate user tries to get the web page, they just can't get through. Then we have the DDoS, the distributed denial of service, and most denial of service is DDoS. This is where we have many compromised devices, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands. We're using them to launch the attack. We will remotely control them. We typically call them bots or zombies. They'll be managed by command and control, CNC computers, which are scattered regionally. And we manage from the attacker machine the CNC servers, who in turn manage all of the bots, all the zombies. Here is a DDoS example. I'm the attacker. I have compromised machines that I've turned into CNC servers. They in turn are controlling zombies. And then we'll have all of the zombies together attack one single victim. That's our overview of denial of service. Now let's see how it's done.